before we continue with the study session, let's do some real talk. AI is everywhere right now, and if you're not learning it, you're already falling behind. But don't stress, I've got you. Let me tell you where to start from. The problem with most AI courses is they're either way too basic or they assume that you already have a PhD. And if tech is not your background, most of them are not built for you. So here is what I would genuinely recommend: Simply Learn. It's one of my top picks for learning AI online. The programs are designed with the world's top universities and leading tech giants, and it actually shows in the quality. Here you will learn by doing real world projects, actual tools. No prior experience is needed. It doesn't matter if you're a student, a professional, or switching careers, they have something built for exactly where you are. So if you want to learn AI properly, the structured, practical, and career focused way, Simply Learn is where you go. Just Google Simply Learn AI courses, or you can tap the link below. This is absolutely worth checking out. So yeah, let's get back to our study session now.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
So let me give you all my desk tour. Before going into details, this is the full setup and it's the place where I spend most of my time. So let us start with my bookshelf. I got it from Amazon. It's a metal bookshelf and it can hold pretty much good amount of books weight. And uske just niche I just have my wall grid with some motivational posters, and then here is my newly purchased tablet stand. I have linked all the things below, you can just check out my description. And many of you guys asked me about my lamp. It's from Philips. I purchased it 4 years back and it's working well, so I would highly recommend this if you are thinking to buy one. And here is my cute little timer, then this artificial plant pot which I got from Mr. DIY. Then here are few things which I use the most. If I find something important, I just scribble down in this green diary. I find it pretty cute. Then this book which I'm reading right now, and the Bare Act of Constitution. Then this sticky note which I got again from Mr. DIY. Then let's come to the most overloaded thing, which is this organizer. I have plenty of pens, and for the blue pen I'm using this Dom Zenzo classic pen. मुझे ये इतने पसंद है कि मैंने 2 पैकेट्स ऑलरेडी मंगाए हुए हैं क्योंकि लोकल स्टोर्स पे नहीं मिल रहे थे, so I got them from Flipkart. And for the other colors pen, I use Hauser's pen. Then in the second drawer I have some essentials like my iPad pencil, etc. Then coming to the second part of this organizer, I have this to-do list diary from Mr. DIY. Then some sticky notes. Next to it I have a customized card holder जिसमें मैं आधार कार्ड और पैन कार्ड ही रखती हूँ बस. Then I always keep these kinds of chits around me. Like मुझे भी कुछ भी important लगता है तो मैं इसमें लिख देती हूँ. Like you can see मैंने न्यूज़पेपर में से जो vocabulary मुझे important लगती है वो इसमें लिखी हुई है with meanings. Then I have this cute diary and again a sticky note. And coming to highlighters, I'm definitely the kind of person who thinks that color coding will solve everything. So currently I'm using these from Mr. DIY, and I have some local highlighters also. Then for the headings and all, I just use these markers. I got them from Meesho like 2 years back and these are working pretty good. Then we have this little guy panda with absolutely no academic purpose, but it makes the desk 10 times cuter. And also regarding the desk, I got it made from a local carpenter and इसके अंदर सिर्फ एक ही drawer है, which I thought not to show because it's so unorganized. And yeah, that was pretty much of it. Let's get back to the studies.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?